Lois and Clark, The New Adventures of Superman. Is this content? Hey everyone, Richard here. So, as you see, I have some Lois and Clark, The New Adventures of Superman trading cards. Still got the original KB Toys label on it. I came across this in a collection I had bought. It was kind of like a throw-in. I figured it'd be kind of fun to open. I've had it sitting for a while. Let's look at the odds. We got Lois and Clark Diffuser foil cards. There's 1 in 7 packs. And then there's Boris Vallejo and Julie Bell hollow chip foil cards. Those are what we're really after. You expect about 2 to 3 per box. Yeah, but just really cool. Some cards from 1995. I don't know how many of you remember this series. But just kind of cool. I'm looking forward to breaking into it, so let's go ahead and just do it. Apparently there's also a collector pin in here. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like it's 1 per box. So yeah, let's just see what we have. Looks like there's 36 packs with 8 cards per pack, so this is going to be a long opening. Yeah, I'm excited to take a look at everything. Alright, so there's our packs, and here is our pin. It's kind of funny. Looks like the colors have actually faded away on it. Probably because of what they used back in the 90s to make these. Turned all yellow, but still pretty cool. Alright, so let's get into our packs. Free tattoo in every pack. So what we're really after are the foil cards, the art cards, stuff like that. The base stuff isn't really that exciting in my opinion, but it still should be fun to look through. So here's our first tattoo. I believe they're all just going to be variants of the Superman logo. Then we got She's No Bubblehead. Our checklist. Wouldn't be a 90s pack opening without a checklist. Daily Planet. Super Heavyweight. Some Cute Chick. Artist Rendition. That is an interesting looking rendition. What Bo Doesn't Know. Up, Up, and Away. So we'll probably go slow at first while we look at these, and then I'll speed it up as we start hitting doubles and what have you. I've only actually watched this show like once. I think it was like I watched all the seasons, but it was only about once. It's been quite a long time, so I actually don't remember quite a bit of it. The Super Clone. Oh, we got a foil in this, it looks like. What's His Secret? Superman versus Superstar. I Want to Fly with You, Lois and Clark foil card. Yeah. It's a very 90s looking card. Very cool. Cat Grant. Do You, Lois, Take This Man? Do You Love Me? Clothes Make the Superman. Let's go ahead and sleeve up our foil card. Believe it or not, some of these cards are actually semi-collectible. You don't always get that out of these 90s sets, but I'd rather just sleeve it up for the sake of it. Alright, next pack. Scoot this stuff over. Try to fit some stuff. There we go. Another tattoo. Not sure how many different ones there are. Probably get the whole set eventually. Superman. One Last Hope. Metropolis Isn't Big Enough. Typical Boy Next Door. In the Days of the Mob. Already seen that one. Seen that one. And we've seen that one. Next pack. This is the pack that had the pin sitting on it, so I'm curious if it's going to have like an impression or something on it. We got our tattoo. Curious if those tattoos still work. Yeah, these are damaged from the pin. Luckily, that's a double. Look up in the sky, under a spell, what Bo doesn't know, up and away, the dream team, and be mine. Next pack. Only one foil so far. I think we can expect about 5 or 6 of those. And then we still are hunting our 2 guest artist rendition cards. Another tattoo. Superman versus Superstar. Bureau 39. A Dangerous Discovery. The Last Days of Krypton. Lex to the Rescue. New in Metropolis. More Powerful Than a Speeding Bus. And Cat Grant. Pack. Who knows, depending on what I pull out of this, I might actually send one off to SGC or something just for the fun of it. Airborne. A Friendly Warning. Who's Falling for Whom? Lois and Clark. The Invisible Man. Home Away from Home. Clark to the Rescue. What's a Superman to Do? Tattoo. Superman Heavyweight. Look Up in the Sky. Under a Spell. Smart Kids. The Trouble Again. Nuclear Arms. It's quite the title. A Shocking Rescue. Come on, let's get another foil or hit or something. Tattoo. One Last Hope. Metropolis Isn't Big Enough. Typical Boy Next Door. Days of the Mob. A Sign of Power. Lois Lane. Interview with the Editor. Feline Flirtations. Tattoo. Surprise. What's the Frequency, Clark? Airborne. A Friendly Warning. I'll Drop You Off at Work. Jonathan Kent. Invisible Man. Home Away for Home. Still quite a few packs to go and quite a bit of hits still expected. So Tattoo. Haven't seen this one yet. Fire in His Eyes. A Normal Kansas City Farm Boy. Lois and Clark, New Adventures of Superman. That's the #1 card. Just Friends. Where's the Aspirin? Bulletproof. Lex Luthor. LexCorp Lends a Hand. Tattoo again. Captured. Hotshot. Metropolis Mugshot. That's kind of a fun looking card. Feline Flirtations. 2 cards stuck together there. I think we had a couple cards stuck together. Set this down for a second. Oh, we did. I'm glad I noticed that. I might have to go back and check these. That's one of our 2 hits per box cards. Very, very nice. See that up. But it makes me wonder if I've missed other ones. So I'm going to have to go back and look through these at the end. But very, very nice. Actually going to take a second here and do that just to be safe. Alright, so I looked through it. I didn't see any others. I'll probably look through one more time before we finish up. But that's something to pay attention to. Looks like some cards are sticking together. We got another tattoo. Superman of her dreams. I've always loved you. A cold front. Super clone. The planet dies. Beginning of a beautiful friendship. Jimmy Olsen. One-man demolition crew. Next pack. Tattoo. The way to Superman's heart. Who, that's really hard to read. We've heard so much about you. Fire in his eyes. Or normal Kansas farm boy. Feline flirtations. Lois and Clark. A kryptonite crypt. Home court advantage. This is a job for Lexman? I don't think I've seen that one yet. Oh, there's another. This is just a normal holofoil. Looks like we actually have some damage on that card, unfortunately. Yeah, just a normal holofoil. Clark Kent. Some cute chick. Still going to sleeve this up, even though that corner doesn't look too great. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. But next pack. Lois and Lex. Lois and Superman. This is a job for Superman. The Superman of her dreams. I've always loved you. One-man demolition crew. Martha Kent. And what a save. Looks like a few of these cards, or these packs, have a ding in the corner of them. So hopefully our bigger hits don't end up in those. Captured. Hot Shot. Metropolis a mugshot. Lex to the rescue. New man in Metropolis. And Cat Grant. I've always loved you. A cold front. Super clone. What's his secret? Martha Kent. What a save. The first kiss or the last. Great shades of Elvis. A Dangerous Discovery, Last Days of Krypton, Captured, Hot Shot. Still really like that card. New in Metropolis. Wonder if I'll have a complete set after opening all these. I think there's a good shot, because a lot of these are doubles. That's a new one. Good idea, bad start. Superman and wife. She's no bubble. There's our checklist. Lex Corp. Clark Kent, some cute chick, and artist rendition. Fire. Oh, there's a foil in here. That's exciting. Lois and Clark, and our foil is the most generic foil in the set, just the title card. Looks nice though. That silly tattoo looking thing. If there was any foil I didn't want to pull, that was actually the one. But oh well, I'll take it. At least it's in nice shape. So probably still got 2 more of those foils and 1 more of like the chase hit cards, give or take, assuming odds are true on the back. Captured, Hot Shot, Metropolis Mugshot, Superman. Do you, Lois, take this man? Do you love me? Colors make the Superman, and Perry White. Quite the stack of cards over here. Some of these packs open really easy, and some of them do not at all. Partners in Peril. Wouldn't mind opening more silly trading card sets like this from the 90s. I don't know, they're fun in my mind. This one actually has a crazy print line going across it. Trouble Again, Surprise, What's the Frequency, Melodies, Monkey in the Middle, I'll Drop You Off at Work, and Jonathan Kent. Look Up in the Sky, Under a Spell, Smart Kids, In Trouble Again, The Dream Team, Be Mine, Melodies, Monkey in the Middle. Lois and Superman. This takes a job for Superman. Clark to the rescue. What's Superman to do? Nuclear arms. A shocking rescue. Partners in Peril, Way to Superman's Heart, We've Heard So Much About You, Lois and Clark, Kryptonite Crypt, Home Court Advantage, Needs a Little Salt. I don't think I've seen that one yet. Pack. Getting down here close to the end. Lois and Superman, Job for Superman, The Superman of Her Dreams, I've Always Loved You, Nuclear arms. Shocking rescue. A planet dies. The beginning of a beautiful friendship. Tattoo. Bureau 39. Dangerous Discovery. It looks like we got a holo. Last Days of Krypton. Another one of those sort of generic holos. Not the best one in the world, but it is in decent shape, so I will take it. Perry White. Sign of Power. Lois Lane. Interview with the Editor. So hopefully we have one more normal holo and one more of the Chase art cards. Surprise. What's a frequency? Airborne. A friendly warning. Who's falling for whom? Planet dies. Beginning of a beautiful friendship. And Jimmy Olsen. Superman. One Last Hope. Metropolis isn't big enough. And we got another foil of one we already had. And it's the one I didn't really care for. But that's fine. I will take it. Surprised you can actually pull doubles of foils in a single box. What's Its Secret? Superman vs. Superstar. Bureau 39. A Dangerous Discovery. Martha Kent. What a Slave. The First Kiss. Great Shades of Elvis. I think that's the first one of those we've seen. I'm not going to scream that out. I think that's also the first one we've seen. Head in the Clouds. Superman and Wife. Interesting that we're still seeing cards that I hadn't seen yet. Considering the stack over here. This is interesting. This is the actual photo of what our art card is kind of based off of. That's kind of cool. Just Friends. Only a few more packs. Hopefully we have another one of these art type cards. Unless I missed it, I'll look through the pile again just to be careful. But it'd be a pretty sucky box if we only got one. Superman. One Last Hope. Metropolis. Typical Boy Next Door. Do you always take this man? Do you love me? Clothes make that. Blah blah blah. Perry White. A Cold Front. Superman clone. What's his secret? Superman vs. Superstar. Bureau 39. The First Kiss for the Last. Great Sheets Elvis. Lex to the Rescue. Last pack. Partners in Peril. The Way to Superman's Heart. We've Heard So Much About You. I think our hologram's stuck on the back of that one. What Bo Doesn't Know. Up, Up, and Away. Let's see, what is our last hit? It is the one I actually really wanted to pull out of this. I might actually send this off to get graded. Very, very nice Lois. Yeah. I'm very happy with that. That kind of makes up for my normal holo hits. There we go. So let's go ahead and recap the box. Here's our two major hits from it. Might actually send that one off to get graded just because that's basically the only card I actually wanted to pull out of this box. Then our normal holos, we had two of the logo holos. This one's like a collage of all the holo cards. Actually, I think this is probably the best one we pulled right there. But yeah, that's everything. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I definitely did. Probably gonna look for more boxes like this if I'm honest. Just random 90s stuff. So if that interests you, let me know. Yeah, take care everyone. In case you were wondering, the tattoos are still good. Alright, take care everyone.